Okay, so you wanted to know how to do the striping area, and this is what I came up with. And I'll go ahead and show you how I got to that. So let me go ahead and just move this out of the way. Okay, continuing. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the area we want to trace. And I'm going to start with a simple square. And I'm going to make the whole thing bigger and then trim back afterwards. And I'm going to just go ahead and go into the point editing. And I'm just going to move everything to where it needs to be.
Sansa was dragged before the king and queen and asked to call the prince a liar.
So was I. He is a liar.
So I have my basic shape there. And I'm going to go ahead and move this one out the way. And I'm going to start on the next section here, doing the large black triangle. And I'm going to delete this point to make it a triangle. And I'm just going to position it right on the edge, keeping everything larger like we discussed earlier. And I need to make this a separate piece, so I'm just going to basically cut it, so to speak. I'll duplicate that. I'm just going to use this piece in here, and I'm going to make it a little thinner. Oops, wrong piece I grabbed. Reposition this back over. And then from here I'm going to select these two. And I am going to go over to my modify. And I'm going to subtract all. And maybe not. Let's do that again. I need to move this out of the way. And I want to make sure this is on top. So let's make sure we get it to the front. Okay, now we're going to select subtract all. And now when I move this, you'll see I have 3 pieces. And then I'm going to reposition everything, and I'm going to trim it. And I want to make sure I reposition. I'm using the black line here. And apparently I deleted. Oh, right there's where it needs to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and group all of this. And I'm going to trim it to size now. I'm going to take this here. Let's move this out the way so we don't mess that up. And then I'm just going to go to subtract. Now what you'll notice is all separated, so I need to go ahead and regroup again. And this way I'm ensuring that all the edges line up and they're not in different spots and they're the exact size. Position this up a little bit. And then I'm going to select both and subtract again. And now if I color them, you'll kind of see what it looks like. Black. Black. Oh, see, these two are grouped, so we need to ungroup them. Select this one, make it yellow. And there you'll see it matches where we're at. So let's go look at overall where we stand now. So now we have our Audical and our stripes. Now we just need to work on a beat boxer. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.